Get the holidays off to a healthy start with these gluten-free, oil-free classic Spanish almond cookies. Our first year living in the mountains above Alicante, Spain, in the small pueblo of Torremanzanas, we made friends with the local baker Sonia. And not just because her baked goods are amazing, but also that same year, we shipped back bags and bags of her almondrados for friends and family during the winter holidays. And everybody was hooked on these gluten-free almond treats. It's a magic combination of the best version of this cookie I have ever had. And the secret is to mix roughly chopped almonds with traditionally finely ground almonds in the batter. So let's get started. Gather together 2 large eggs, the zest of a lemon, 1 pound of almond meal, and a touch of cinnamon. Separate the egg yolks and beat the whites until they're fluffy and form stiff peaks. Break the egg yolks just a little bit and use a light touch to gently fold them into the whites. It's all about keeping the whites as fluffy as you can. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1/2 pound of finely ground almonds, 1/2 pound of finely chopped almonds, the lemon zest, and a sprinkle of cinnamon before folding them into the eggs. The secret to any crisp, airy cookie is to keep the batter mixed as lightly as you can. So just gently fold it all together until you have a soft, moist dough that roughly holds together. While the oven's preheating to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade, I'm going to start scooping up these cookies. An ice cream scoop is my trick to make all the cookies about the same size so that they bake evenly. And into the oven with this first batch. When the 15 minutes are up and the cookies look fabulous and golden, transfer them to a rack to cool. I made 24 cookies from this batch. So give or take, depending on how large you make the cookies. I made mine pretty big because George loves cookies. But you could get anywhere from 2 dozen to 2.5 dozen cookies to a batch. You caught me? These are, I just couldn't wait. They are probably better if they're a little cooler. They're the perfect little cookie to go with a nice cup of coffee in the afternoon. Happy holidays!